So if you want to make a recording on GarageBand, first you need to actually download the app. You do that, and then search up that, do that, then do that. Look, you see this? You want this. You want this. So let's go back into here. Now you want to, hold on, just give me a second. So now what you want is that you want to record it. Hold on. No, so you don't want to do that. Want to do that? Grab this. Okay, now put it there. Okay, now what you want to do now, if you want to save it. Yeah, you want to save it, and then do that. Do it as a ringtone, and then name it whatever you want. Let's just call that. Let's just call that example. And then there you go. And then there you go. And then there you go. That is how you do that. So yeah, you're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.